Hi friends, Mrs. Gunter here again. Earlier in the week we did the long and short U. The long U saying ooh or you, its name. And today we're going to go into Bossy R. And Bossy R changes all the vowel sounds. But today we're only going to focus on one vowel. It's going to change the sound that A makes. So A usually says ah if it's short, or A if it's long, which means it's either a vowel team or a magic E with A. But if Bossy R comes into the picture, he takes over and he tells A that A is no longer going to make any of those sounds. A is going to say R. Together they will say R, like in car. So today we're going to start with the word car, and then we're going to change one consonant to make the word tar. So we're going to change the C to a T, and we will have tar. How could we make the word tart? What letter would we have to add? Would we add it at the beginning or the end? Tart. Yep, right here at the end. Tart. I'm going to go back to tar for a minute, and I want to see if you can make the word with a blend at the beginning. Star. So instead of being t, it's going to be star. Star. Yep. ST blend. Scar is the next word. Scar. So instead of a T, there's two things it could be. It could be SK or it could be SC. Sk. And if I try SK, well, that just doesn't look right. Let's try SC. Scar. Yeah, that just looks right. They both make the same sound, but that one just looks right. I've seen this word before. Scar. Like after you have a cut, and after it heals, you'll have a scar, a little mark. Now I'm going to take away a letter to make the word car. We're back to car, but we're going to change car into card. I hear the D at the end. Card. And a word that rhymes with card, yard. They both have ard at the end. Card, yard. The C is going to turn into a y. Yard. Change yard to hard. Hard. Anyway, that Y, that beginning sound again, we've got hard. Now I'm going to use a digraph that we know. Chard. Chard. Chard is like it's called Swiss chard is um, the long way to say it, but chard is part of that vegetable. It's a vegetable that grows. It's a very almost looks lettucey, and it has a little purple color to it a little bit too. So chard is a vegetable. Ch ch. How do I get that? Ch ch. We have one of those letters, and we make it with the ch sound. SCH. Change chard to chart. Chart. Ah, that's what's got to change. The D becomes a T. Chart. How about charm? What would we change? Charm. T, and now charm. I hear at the end of that word. Charm. Now we're going to take away a letter just so we can have harm. Harm. So we don't need that C anymore. Now we've got harm. All right, we're going to change harm to hark. Hark the heralds angels sing, glory to... Oh, you know that song from Christmas. Hark. It's a K. Now we're going to add a digraph to make the word shark. Shark. Oh, I know. Sh is SH. Shark. Let's change shark to sharp. Sharp. Okay. Sharp becomes a P. Pencil was very sharp. And I think we're going to end with that right now, with the word sharp. I hope you have a good time with those AR words. And now we're going to look for some other AR words in a passage. And I'm going to read it with expression. I'm going to scoop my words as I go. I hope you can see this okay. This will have a lot of AR words in it. In fact, you can see they're a little bit darker. So I'm going to read it first. Enjoy. A smart pink pig lived in a barn on a little farm. The pig dreamed of a better life. He wanted to run in a park and swing on the bars at the playground. He even wanted to park a new car at the mart, which is like a store, right? One dark night, Pig made a wish on the brightest star. He wished very hard. Pig said, I could go so far and live a charming life if I had a new start. Just then, Pig began to bark. Be careful what you wish for, shouted the star. Pig learned a big lesson. So why did the pig bark? Yeah, he wished for something different. He wished he could live a different life and start new, and he ended up barking, so I think he turned into a dog. It's a silly story. So this lesson in the story, because we've been learning about that all this week, was be careful what you wish for. Be careful what you wish for, because you just might get it. All right, here we go. Let's look for the AR words. A smart pig. R. I heard R in the middle of smart. A smart pig lived in a barn. Barn. AR. On a little farm. Farm, right. That has AR. The pig dreamed of a better life. He wanted to run in a park and swing on the bars at the playground. We got two in that sentence. He wanted to run in the park, R, and swing on the bars at the playground. He even wanted to park a new car, ark and R, at the mart. Art, AR. One dark night, Pig made a wish on the brightest star. One dark, R, I heard it again. Dark night. Pig made a wish on the brightest star. Yeah, star. He wished very hard. You got it. Hard. Pig said I could go far and live a charming life if I had a new start. I could go so far, far, and live a charming life if I had a new start. Yes, art. Just then Pig began to bark. Be careful what you wish for, shouted the star. Pig learned a big lesson. Okay, so we've got smart, farm, barn, park, bars, mart, car, park, dark, star, hard, charming, far, start, bark, all having that R sound. So I hope you had a great time learning about Bossy R and what he does to the A sound, saying R together. All right, see you for the next word build. Have a good one. Bye.